y'all. This is what my burger look like. And I got some peppers. What, baby food look fire. These are like good burgers. I said white mocha. He got dark. He just kind of did what the fuck he wanted to do. I said icy. This is When I tell y'all we so late, our flight boards and like, so far while we late. It's her birthday, so if we all late, it's on her. But honey, we're gonna go through TSA. I'll talk to y'all in a minute. Bye. Okay, y'all, so y'all know I was just in New York yesterday. It is the first night. It's Thursday, y'all. I am so fucking tired. Like, I don't mind going. That's how you know I'm tired. I ain't putting no press-ons on or nothing. I did do my hair because I had a wig collaboration before I, came to Texas. So I went ahead and recorded that, and that was me doing my hair. Plus my promo, Kill Two Birds One Stone. But I said I let to say, like, I'm tired. I would have been put my press-on nails on. I haven't done that. Like, I just really, I need some rest, y'all. I walked 7 miles yesterday in New York. I'm tired. So me and Bae, literally, we finna go to In-N-Out Burger because I am dying to try the Flying Dutchman. So we done went and got a bottle of Hennessy. We finna go to In-N-Out, come home, eat. Probably drink a little bit, play some games or something. And we just gonna chill. And go to sleep, and we're gonna just start fresh tomorrow. But yeah, nothing exciting for tonight, but I am gonna show y'all my In-N-Out burger, so y'all just stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so me and Bae done came out to get food. Child, she got us at this big old pizza spot, honey. Yeah, big old pizza, because we didn't know if we was gonna like the In-N-Out burger. Like, I'm just being real. And we're not getting the fries. Like, everybody's saying, my face looks so greasy. Everybody's saying that the fries are cold in like 2 seconds, and I don't have time. Like, that's going to irritate me. So we don't know if we're going to like the food. So we're getting this as a backup. So we're still going to get the burgers, just to say we tried it. But we're getting this pizza because these reviews at this pizza place, Big O's Pizza and Pasta, they had really good reviews. So we got some pizza and wings, and then we finna go get the In-N-Out burger and go back to the hotel. So when we get back, y'all, I am so freaking exhausted. But when we get back, I am going to show y'all what the food is giving, and we're going to try it together. And then we're probably going to take a shower and pass out. But that's neither here nor there. So I'll meet y'all back at the room, okay?
Smells
They smell so good. These wings. Hold on. Garlic parm. These look so good. You want a wing, babe? Which one, girl? They didn't give us no sauce. Yeah, they did. And they ranch look good. Which one you getting, girl? Hot. You need some ranch? Here's the pizza. This looks great, and it smells good and fresh. Oh my God. And they have real Parmesan, grated Parmesan and red crusted peppers. This looks great. I'm excited.
all right. Big old.
Babe, big back ass got 2 cheeseburgers, y'all. I'm excited. I don't know what's
Can I add one of those pink lemonade? Oh, a large. Hey.
Yeah, this is what my burger look like. And I got some peppers, boo. Baby food look fire. These are like good burgers. Don't it? Them look so good. And we got a pizza. We got a big fat bitch, fat back feast going on. I'm finna hit it with some of this In-N-Out sauce. Let's see what it's hitting on, y'all. Ooh, hold on.
I'm taking $3,000 off all full bath remodel projects.
That's an amazing offer, BJ. I'll share that I actually had Western Home remodel my bathroom, and I have to say, it was incredible. My new shower looks amazing, and it has my bathroom.
It's good.
Take a look at some of the before and after photos. It completely changed my bathroom.
Call the number on your screen right now to get 60 months, 0% APR. That's 5 years, no interest. And if you call in now,
That pepper hot as fuck.
$3,000 off the entire project. Call us today to take advantage of this offer before it's too late.
It's good, y'all. 8.5 out of 10. Bye. Good morning, guys. Good morning, y'all. I am gonna go downstairs and get me some Starbucks coffee real quick. I ain't really been big on Starbucks because of the whole Palestine thing and all that, but it's convenient, it's downstairs, and I need a boost. So I'm finna grab some coffee and probably just come up here and finish editing a few videos and just kill a little bit of time until baby wakes up so we can get our day started. So y'all come along with me, honey, to get my little morning boost. Okay, now I know that we have the boat ride planned for tomorrow. I didn't really tell her about it. I definitely wanted it to be a surprise. So I didn't tell her about it, but I'm excited and I know she's gonna be excited too. Ooh, I smell food, it smells so good. Y'all, they got a whole breakfast buffet. But I don't think that we're going to get that. But it's a full buffet. It looks pretty good. But I'm doing me some coffee, honey, because child, it's just a vibe. So give me a second. Let me order my coffee. Y'all, I don't know what this man made me, but child, this is definitely not what I wanted. But it's gonna have to do, honey. It is what it is. Let's do a taste test. So I guess, and I should have known that, but from what I gathered, it's not the real Starbucks for sure, because they're like a sister company. It's surprisingly okay though. I said white mocha, he got dark. He just kind of did what the fuck he wanted to do. I said iced tea headed and made me a whole ass hot coffee. I never fucking said that. That's irritating as hell. But it'll do. I just need to give me a little boost, honey. That's all. But let's go wake baby up because she's not gonna sleep the day away. We're not doing it. Period. Y'all, real quick, because I don't want to get copyrighted, we are at Soul Food Bites. We're about to get our food. We just walked in. It's real cute. I'm going to show y'all a quick little review of the food real quick. But I got to mute it, so hold on. Y'all, they got some wings. Some catfish fries, another macaroni. These are the ribs. What about our drink?
Ooh, it's something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. It's something about her. Ooh, it's something about kind of woman
Happy birthday.
This is Brittany. You so shy.
You gotta be born with me.
Yeah, I do.
I just can't do it.
Y'all, I forgot to vlog us being on the boat, but it was a wonderful experience. I can't do too much because I'll get copyrighted. But it was cute. But I had a good time. Look, can't you say? Stop fucking playing. But y'all, it was a beautiful experience. Definitely should do it if you come to Dallas. I'll put the information down in the description box, okay? But it was cute, and they have a little cooling space downstairs, and they also have a nighttime space. Thank you. We had a blast. Thank you.
Great.
Thanks, Teresa.
Thank you, Mr. Reese. We'll be back. Thank you so much.
Yes, you guys. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful experience. It was beautiful. We did the sunset cruise, but it's also a night one that they're gonna get ready for. But 10 out of 10. See y'all at the next stop. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
I know that. And if it is, it's gonna stay there. We are not getting that. We ain't seen no line the whole time we've been out there. Not one person in that line. We are not.
I'm more concerned about your food than the ketchup on my arm. Can't like it. Thank you. Y'all, these are the animal fries. I didn't show y'all this yesterday, but me and Babe finna try them. Hold on. My gravy one. What's this? Onion ring? Y'all, me and Bae are at Benihana. Both of our first time, but I heard really, really good things. So, yep, I'm gonna show y'all when we get in. It's cute. It's real cute. Look. She gonna get that watch.
Lining, oh, lining.
I got bad food, y'all. People are stuff.
Y'all know I close out as I go. I don't hold tabs because that means I gotta hold your card and I don't hold that.
get one for the road. I got my fun Dutchman's and Bay got fucking don't cheeseburgers. And I had to get my. These are so fucking hot.